Hello, good evening to everyone. Today in this video I'll tell you how you can remove the search bar from the app drawer on the home screen. See, this is on the Motorola mobile, this one, and this is on the Realme mobile. Okay, this is Motorola and Realme, and this also has the search bar. So when you click on the settings, there is no possible action of removing this search bar. Actually, the search bar is common, and here also click on the settings and there is no option to remove search bar, but one way you can actually remove the search bar completely, that is changing with the vertical app drawer to horizontal app drawer layout. So how you can change that? You can just click on Android phone settings and then reach to home screen and lock screen, then click on home settings, then home screen style app tray, and then switch to vertical app drawer. So now we'll check. Now nowhere you will see the app search bar on the home screen on the app drawer. Instead, from vertical movement you need to use the apps to horizontal swipe, either to your left or to your right. The same goes with this Realme also. Click on your Android phone settings, then click on home screen and lock screen, then click on home screen and click on the standard, click on the supply, switch. The same goes here also. If it is applied, see here. So there is no search bar here. This is the Google search bar. Okay, this is just Google search bar where you can remove this, but the app search bar is now removed. Means with the vertical swipe you won't find that app search bar. So but really there is no option to remove app search bar in the vertical app drawer. If you like this video, please do hit a like, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.